Hey everyone, I just wanted to update you on the willow trees. I had done a video on how to root from cuttings, and I wanted to show you, these were done in July 2019, how large they get and how quickly. So this July 2021, they will be 2 years old. But as you notice, they get big fast, so I've turned them into garden trees instead of bonsais. I really didn't have time to do the root trimming and everything, and I wanted some garden trees for this area, so they're just leafing out. We're just coming out of winter. It's mid-April, the 16th of April, and they are doing really well. All of them have survived in pots, small, even tiny pots. I have a little one on the other side, which I'll show you. That's just from last probably August, but this is their wood trunk, or at least for one of them, and this is how big they've gotten from our mother tree that has died. I'm calling this Willow Alley because as you see, there are 3 down the row. This is the first one in this gorgeous pot we found. And then as you come down the path, you'll see there's 2 more, also done in that same month. These were the cuttings I was showing you I was doing at that time. And I'll link the video in case you didn't see it or don't know where to find it. But this is the babies from the mama's tree. And so this is how successful you can be. We're in southern New Jersey, zone 6B. We had a lot of snow this year, and they had no problem surviving in these pots. They're quite cold hardy even from starts. And so this one's, I kind of did something. It wasn't growing quite straight, so I decided to braid its trunk. And so we'll see how that grows together. I think it's going to be pretty cool. So you can do different things with them to get different looks. And that should make a pretty neat knotted trunk. And I'll probably just keep them garden trees. I'm going to start new ones for my daughters because they absolutely love them, and they adored our mother tree who died. This is probably our largest tree. So that's it. They came from those tiny little cuttings that I just stuck in a pot, and then they transplanted them into these pots. Oops, sorry, it's really windy in New Jersey anymore. Probably about 20-mile-per-hour winds today. Okay, well, thank you for joining me, and I will link down below the video for how to start these. Have a great day.